Hello guys, we're back. We're trying to hit another manga from this PRB box. Check natin kung makakakuha tayo. Let's do it. Ready, Grant?
Yes.
We're ready, to hit a Luffy? Luffy or Sanji? I don't know how to open it.
Luffy.
Luffy?
Luffy.
You want Luffy?
He's the main character.
He's the main character? Okay. We're gonna get Luffy today, okay? So we got the box from Toy Corner. Thank you for that. Okay. Let's see. We have 10 packs.
There's so much.
I'll get the scissor.
Sure.
So it will be fast. Okay. First pack. What will it be?
We've got it, sir. Got the scissors.
Later. We'll use that one later. Okay. Who's this lady? I don't know. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Shanks. Sanji.
Shanji.
Event.
Event.
Oh, we have a Violet, no? Oh, si Moria.
I didn't know.
Moria.
Violet again.
Ano lang yan? Foil lang yan, foil. Then we have this Violet. Wow, wow. Who's this card? Wow, special card. 12,000. And who might this be? Oh! I think this is SR. I think this is a special card. We hit, what's his name? Blackbeard. Nice. Wait. Let's put a sleeve on the Blackbeard. Teka lang.
The graveyard.
Check natin. Mag-ano tayo ng Blackbeard. Maglagay tayo ng sleeve kay Blackbeard muna. First special card natin. SR.
Blackbeard doesn't have a beard.
This is the antagonist of One Piece. Let's see what's gonna happen. Nice. SR. Nice card. Nice pull. Blackbeard. Okay. We hit a Blackbeard. Let's put him here. Behind Blackbeard we have, I don't know. What's his name? Foil din siya. Foil, oh. Look.
Foil.
Still a foil. It glitters. We have an event of Luffy. Luffy. Goma. And our Don is sino nga ba to? Nakalimutan ko na. I forgot his name. Okay. That's for the first pack or second pack. What do you think, Grant?
Luffy and Shanji.
Luffy, Sanji, and Zoro. Who's your favorite character in One Piece? My favorite is Nico Robin, this lady. Wow. Okay. Shiki the Lion. Kuma is a nice guy. Okay, Merjowa.
Because I like his story.
Yeah, his story, no? It's very sad, no? I like Kuma. Oh! Wow, this is Shank guy. I forgot his name. It's a foil one. Then we have another one at the back. Oh, it's an SR. Oh, we have Trafalgar Law. Nice one also. And another one. Another hit on the back will be. Oh! We have Brooks. Nice, oh. Nice one. And at the we have Perona. Nice, Perona. Nice Perona. And the second Don card is what's his name? Sanji and Perona. Nice Perona. I like that Perona. Later we'll put a sleeve. We're getting good cards.
Yeah.
But I hope we hit the manga, no?
Yeah.
Manga. You like manga or mango?
I don't know.
Oh, what's this? Luffy Taro. Yusuf. What's his name? Sabo. Luffy base. Okay. This is
Kizaru.
Silver Rayleigh and I forgot his name. Oh, we have Trafalgar Law again. Law. Nice foil. And we have an event of Sabo again.
Sabo.
How many times? I already have too much Sabo like this. And behind him is Kongan of Luffy
Okay.
events. And we have another Thousand Sunny.
Thousand Sunny.
And our Dawn card is I forgot his name. Get me some water. Ask mommy.
Water?
Yes. We're going for our fourth pack. Okay. Last time when we're doing the opening, lagi ko sinasabi, sabo-sabo. It was not sabo. Litong-lito ako sa mga pangalan nila.
This your water. This is just normal water.
Take it, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we have. Okay. Sanji.
Sunji.
And we have Zoro. We don't have this card. It's a nice one.
Sure.
Behind Zoro is another SR of Bogey and Crocodile. Nice, I like it.
Doggy and
Crocodile. And we have an event card again of Bonnie. We already have Bonnie. This is the daughter of Kuma, Bonnie. And our Dawn is not gold. I forgot this lady's name. Foil also, foil card.
coil.
Nice.
What?
It's a special Dawn, but it's not gold, but still it glitters. Nice. I like this one, no? Ganda. Let's put this one with the sleeve. Maganda siya. I like this one.
Big.
It's a nice card, no? Reflectorize. Put it here. Okay. So far, so good. We already did half of the box. Huwag mong anuhin.
Sorry.
Wala na. Ayaw na. Okay. Let's stay it like that. Okay. Half of the box na tayo. Pang-anim na to. We still have how many left? 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. Kiss mo to. Baka mahawa tayo ng mangga. Kiss.
Huh?
Mangga. Mangga. Mangga is coming here. Okay. Jinbei. Whitebeard. The fox. I forgot her name.
What mustache?
Brooks.
Ace.
Ace. What is this card? Nice. Pudding. Pudding foil.
Pudding.
Behind pudding is special card.
Oh.
What is this?
A one
Nice.
mango.
It's carrot. We hit a good card. Carrot. Nice carrot. I like this one. Because you kiss the card, we hit a carrot. Nice. Let's take this one first. Behind carrot is Ace. 1 minute. Let's put a sleeve on carrot. I like this card. Nice hit. SR. Nice one. Not so. Okay, we have Ace.
Ace ready.
We have again Brook. And our Dawn, Kobe. Yes. Last time we keep on saying Sabo, but it's actually Kobe. Okay. Okay na yan. It's gonna be the lucky pack. Going to hit the manga. Manga. Caldara. Wala pa rin yata tayong manga. Okay. Base. Favorite mo. Si Bangkog. Bakla. We have a foil. Nice. It looks good. Not so special. We have Sanji. With the suit. And we have another not so special. Nice one. Okay. Foil card. And behind her is Boogie. Nice one also. Wala pa ako. Then our Dawn is not gold. It's Perona. Mama Perona. Okay. This is the last 4th pack. Ang bilis.
Not 3 more.
Ang bilis. Matapos. Kaasar. We need more cards. We need more money. Please give us a manga. Ayan na.
This is how many cards we have.
Oh, we have a special, I think. Let's see. Let's wait. Carrot. NL.
Sabo.
Okay, Sabo. Perona. Base. Oh, we have a Luffy. Nice. I like this card. Oh, we have a Shirahoshi.
Shirahoshi.
But this is just a simple card.
Yeah.
SR only, I think. Then we have an event of Ace again. And behind, we have a gold.
Ooh.
Gold foil up.
Ano mango?
Ooh, no. Nice. We hit a good card. Nice. It's a good card of law. Law. Nice. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. And behind law is Kiros. Nice. I like this law. We hit a good card today, huh? Gold foil of law. Nice. Let's put this one here. Nice. Okay. Let's put the... We're gonna hit more. Okay. Good card for law.
I think we don't need scissors.
It's better because it's very hard without the scissor.
Okay.
I choose to have the scissor. Okay. Okay. Thousand Sunny. We have Shanks. How many more?
2.
2. We have, I forgot his
I'm
name.
gonna kiss the last one.
That's why. Okay. Not so special. But still okay.
This is so
Oh, we have Germa. Okay. Last 2. Last 2 packs. Ay, ay, ay. Last 2.
What's even? Yeah, last 2. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna kiss this.
Krokodili. Lupitaro.
I'm gonna kiss this.
Boogie. Uy, wala tayong special. Uy, meron niya. Ay,
Wish
wala.
luck.
Not so. Ah. Oy, what is
Hindi,
this?
what if?
You already have this one, Brooks.
What if we just buy a bunch of cards and then keep them in like some drawer, and then after that we wait like for weeks, and then we'll open them up and we'll have so many cards and then we'll video it.
Ah, it's not like that. It's better to open one by one.
Okay.
Okay. It's not so good card. Okay. Last pack, Magic. Okay. This is the lucky pack.
Lucky pack.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the manga. Manga. Mango.
Give me this.
Manga. Jeng. I think we're going to hit the manga now. Okay. Blackbeard. Brooks.
Brooke.
I forgot her name.
Okay. I forgot her
Luffy
name.
crying baby. Okay, Germa.
Germany.
Okay. Base na naman. I think we didn't... This is not so... What is this card? Let's go for the Dawn first. Vegapunk. We hit 2 special cards, guys! What is this? Ooh! Okay, that's this one first.
I have goosebumps.
This one first. Who is this? First, this one is... It's nice. And this one is who? Ah, Shanks lang to. But behind Shanks is something special. Woo! What is this? It's not a manga, but still it's different color. Wow!
Monkey ape Luffy.
Number 4. 5,000 only power, so... Wow! Holy crocodile! Crocodile! Only crocodile! Still okay. It's okay. It's a special card, SR.
Wait lang, sit lang. It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So let's have a recap of what we hit.
Lingon ka.
Okay. So good box. Good box. Shanks. Okay.
All of this here is good box. It's good box.
It's okay. Nice one. We didn't hit the manga, but still we got a lot of good cards. Hindi kasi ni mami mo eh. So wrong. Perona pala. Kasama pala si Perona sa special card. Okay, Brooks. Trapargalo. Moria. Okay, we have a carrot. Nice. We have a blackbeard. Nice.
Weird.
We have a crocodile. We have a dawn. Of course, we have a gold. Let's put this one together. These three. Three hit pack. Yeah, nice. I like this one. Low gold. Thank you.